Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be watching episode 9 of Chainsaw Man. Last episode we ended off on a side note with the passing of Amino. Sadly, hold on, let me move this real quick. There we go. Alright, so we're going to get straight into the episode. I'm ready to watch this. You know, when it ended, I was sad because I went to watch more. So let's get straight into it. Ooh, did you see her nails? I guess that's, she has a contract and it takes her nails or something. Yeah. Ow. Yeah, she's gone. So they're out there Denji. It's a ghost devil, right? Oh, he's pulling. Oh shit, we're about to get some epic shit. He does not know Himino's dead yet. They're really after his heart. Play the third opening again? Let's go, let's go. Oh, that looks sick. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, we're about to get a sick ass scene. Yeah, look at that standoff. Yeah, Aki's lost. Yeah, Jesus. I don't know, I don't like that. Bring back up, wow. Where did power go? That's a good question. Yeah, they're going at it. Ooh. Ooh, okay, okay. Oh, that's a lot of power, Jesus. I don't know my... Ooh, he took some big hits there. Ooh. What the? What the? What the? There's no. They just came out. Ooh, ooh. Yo, Denji got the hands for real. Oh, cut him. Oh, yeah, win, bruh. I don't think he cares. Yeah. Bruh. What the fuck?
さっさと車を持ってこい。急げよ。チェーンソーのお仲間は全員撃ち殺したはずだが。
What? Damn. So what about KOBENI? That's
デ
only
ビルハンターも人だ。銃には勝てんだろう。
So yeah, Denji got clapped up. I don't know. He got clapped up. Gone. Like, oh, did we just? Oh my god. Yeah, that we saw already.
もうすぐ駅に着く。車両移動して民間人に紛れるぞ。
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the? Yo, she just got what? Oh, I know who these niggas are.
天童さん、東京で特1課、2課、3課、4課が襲撃されたらしいです。
あ？マジ？マキマさん死んでる？
じゃあうちら待ち損かよ。
Yeah, of course the alarm goes off, but like, is that Maki, man?
No.
Yeah, look at her.
黒瀬くん、天童ちゃん、新幹線内で銃撃にあった。死体があるから片付けさせて。会食は中止。
東京でも銃撃が。マキマさん、その血は？
どこか撃たれましたか？
これは返り血。私は撃たれなかった。
She's lying. What the? That ain't gunshots. That's not gunshots. What the?
おそらく敵の目的はデンジ君だ。ここで対応しよう。黒瀬君、法務省から終身刑以上の犯罪者を30人ほど借りてきて。
30 convicts.
近くにあるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し切って。
Oh, we better see that scene. Oh my god.
私の着替えもお願いします。
Yeah, Makima's on some weird shit, bro. She's on some weird. Whoa. I'm sorry. Let me control myself.
牧間さん、そろそろ到着します。
ありがとう天童ちゃん。すぐに行きます。
Yeah, we're about to get that scene. I'm so hyped to see this. It's one of the coolest scenes. Yeah, like besides the curse devil, this is one of the coolest scenes if I'm remembering it right.
急げ。しばらく俺はもう戦えねえぞ。
重い。お前も手伝え。はい。そっち持て。どこ持ちゃいいんだよ。
Damn.
おい、持てよ。
Matters are concerned.
なんだこれ。
テンパってんじゃねえ。持て。
おい、なんか変な感じだ。
ああ？
変な感じってどういう？
Whoa. Your homie just flat out. God damn.
E 班、C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させろ。
こちら E 班。
こちら E 班。さっきから C 班との連絡が取れない。
Oh! Yo, that's Makima? Yes, I'm so ready to see this. Oh my god. Yes. This is it right here. Maybe I
なんで
remember
俺
it
たちも明確しよ
differently.
牧間さんは内閣官房長官直属のデビルハンターよ。一階のデビルハンターやと契約している悪魔を知ることは許されない。
三島修造と言いなさい。
三島修造。
さっさとチェーンソー運べ。はい。おい、車に運べ。おい、聞いてるのか、三島。
Yeah, some. Oh. I think she's killing the convicts. Damn, this sounds so much ass. She looks crazy. Oh, is she saying their names? How does she know their name? Damn. Oh my god. Yeah, they're dying. Oh, they're all running for it. Oh my god. Makima is cruel. Oh, that goes to the house. That's about to be traumatic. Yep. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, that's traumatic. You know she killed everybody but the niggas with devils? Everybody's like, what the fuck? We in some deep shit.
"ここで私ができることは終わりました。東京に戻ります。
Damn, yeah,
こ
that's
んな
good
デタラメな
shit.
力は多分牧間のだ。大丈夫な間に逃げるぞ。
ちくしょう、殺したんじゃなかったのかよ。
Whoa, what's happening? Oh, KOBENI? Oh, wait, yeah, where's homie? Oh, he got shot straight in the neck. Oh my god. He's dead.
あなたたち銃撃犯ですよね。
ヘリ、尻尾。
What is happening? Oh shit, KOBENI got the moves? Oh shit! Oh shit! God! Damn! Oh! Yo, KOBENI's that. Holy shit! Is she gonna use it as a chainsaw? Please use it as a chainsaw. That nigga. Yeah, they are. Oh my god, they're fucked. KOBENI with the with the gat. That's funny shit. Alright, she's got that killer instinct in it. Bro, it went in reverse. Oh my god. She let them get away. I think she meant to go and drive, but she went in reverse first. Wow. KOBENI is, oh my god. Love for KOBENI. Oh my god.
この間は殺そうとしてごめんね。
Oh. Well, get him back to his body then.
殺そうとしてごめんって。なんだそれ。
Did she kill grandma? That's what I want to know. Yeah, that is something. She just see her homeboy die right in front of her. Oh yeah, she definitely had. She had to kill grandma.
ダメだ。ハイになっちゃってる。
Too high. Oh, yo. Nah, she said these hands are for everybody. She said Gramps ain't below her. Wow, but damn.
私をかばって。
It's not your fault.
私のせいで。そんな。私。
Oh, they stay showing me. I'm so sorry.
仕事してたらおかしくなる。姫の先輩に会ったらやめるって言おう。
About that. About that. Yo?
まどかくん、生きててよかった。得意課はどれくらい生きてる？
得意1課、2課、3課、4課、ともに銃撃に遭い、人外以外はほとんど全員死にました。
得意課だけを狙った銃での襲撃、銃の悪魔が関わっているだろうね。
上から通達です。人員不足のため、得意1課、2課、3課は4課と合併。以降、公安大麻得意4課を
Okay.
牧間さんの指揮下に置きます。
Alright, like, what the fuck?
あとこれを。
何？
僕の辞表です。
Bro's resigning?
得意課がきな臭くなってきました。
Yeah.
辞めるか殺されるかの二択です。
Yeah.
そう。
最後に教えてください。牧間さんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか？
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。
That's petty.
まどかくん、今
That is mad petty.
これ渡しておくね。
I look uncomfortable as shit.
牧間さん、俺たち得意課に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
Into that. Yeah, alright, so whew, what an episode. Mappa killed it. What an episode. We got a little bit of recap of Himino's death, and then we got to see the katana devil, and Denji got it. Denji got absolutely clapped up. He tried taking boy hostage, and bro did not give a shit. I feel like the best part of the episode is had to be Makima and her killing spree, or KOBENI. Honestly, I think I like KOBENI's part more. I completely forgot she was like that in the manga. Like, that shocked me. Like, I'll have to reread the manga, like that part that she does that to me, because I do not remember that whatsoever. But yeah, KOBENI is a beast. A beast. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video for now. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will check you guys out next time. Peace out.